Hello guys, welcome back to another video regarding R. So in today's video, we will talk about the most basic thing which an R could do. R could do. So the most basic thing what we could do with R is calculations, and and the calculations also at its their base level, like we can do addition with R, we can do subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential, everything. So you can say like we can do these stuff considering R as a big calculator. You can think like you can consider R as a big calculator which can do lots of stuff. So but these stuffs we can learn how we can, starting from the basics, how we can move ahead with the complicated stuff. So this is how things goes. So we can do, in the previous video we have talked about the comments also. So just mention a comment with hashtag addition, and then you can do addition, subtraction, you can do subtraction, multiplication, division. So today we'll do this hands-on practice, like how we can write comments and how we can follow the simple basic calculations in R. So to start with, you know the steps how we can do. We need to write down a comment. We need to write down a comment with a hashtag. First, we are doing an addition. So how you can do an addition? Yes, of course, we can do any stuff like this. Fine. So this now we want the results on our console. So do you think like how could you get a result? So this is like we did it an addition in our code, and it has given us the results here in our console. This is like now we can do subtraction. We can do a subtraction, and how we can do that. So again, we can write down whatever number subtractions you want to do, and then you can execute this command and you will get an answer. This is as simple as that. Then if you want, you can do an addition. Addition we already did. Now you can do a multiplication. You can do a multiplication with R. As what I have said, consider it as a bigger calculator which can help you in doing lots of calculations. So when we execute this, we will get a multiplication answer as well. What else we can do? We can do a division as well. We can do an exponential also. So write a comment. We need to do a division. Now how we can do a division with R? Then we can do a division like this. We need to execute the code. See, here the spell check thing also works, which help in knowing better what we are doing. So division function is also worked properly. Then what else we can do? We can do an exponential also. How we can do an exponential? So exponential is like about it says about the terms like square root of or something like that. So 3 to the power of 5. It would give us, we need to run the code. It will exponent 3 to the power of 5. So this is how the basic steps in R goes on. We can talk about exponential. We have already discussed. We already discussed with exponential. So there is another thing which we can discuss over here. Like when we did exponential of 2 to the power of 5, it has given us the results like that. Now the other thing is modulo. Modulo, how? What is modulo? So it returns the reminder of the division of number to the left by the number on its right. For example, 5 modulo 3 or 5. This is how we could write it with two percentage signs. So it would give us the results. If we type this and if we type this with this comment and we need an answer of this, then in our console we could get the answer. This is a sort of calculation which we can perform very easily with the help of R. So we can do the calculation of that modelo as well. MOD. So how we can do this thing? We have already talked about it. So if we write 23 and we write 2 percentage sign and we write 3 and we run this code, then we get this answer. So this is how basic arithmetics could be done with the help of R, and this is the base. This is our foundation on which we can proceed ahead and we can learn the complicated stuffs in R. So I hope these videos are creating an understanding about R, and I guess it is helpful in removing the phobia about the coding. So hope things are going on well, and we'll keep on doing this stuff so as to increase the understanding about R.